Today we are going to make buko pandan. For the ingredients, powdered gulaman, pandan flavor, 1 cup of all-purpose cream, 1 can of condensed milk, and buko. To make the gulaman, you just have to follow the instructions at the back of the pack. So this is the gulaman that we made earlier. So ang gagawin natin ngayon is ikakat natin siya into cubes. So ito na ngayon yung gulaman na kinat natin into cubes. So isi-set aside natin ito. In a bowl, imimix lang natin yung all-purpose cream at saka condensed milk. Tapos, yung buko. So, mix lang yan ng mabuti. Tapos, ilagay yung gulaman. At i-mix ulit. So, ito na yung finished product ng buko pandan.